Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Mylens Ai. In order to do so, here we are at Mylens.ai. And what is Mylens all about? Well, we're here in the Comet browser by Perplexity, so we're going to check in with our handy assistant, Sam. Sam, can you tell us what Mylens.ai is all about?
Mylens.ai is an AI tool that transforms complex content like text, documents, spreadsheets, web pages, and even YouTube into interactive visuals and diagrams. It lets you explore and drill into the data, trace insights back to the original sources, and customize the visuals for sharing. Essentially, it helps you quickly turn dense information into dynamic, explorable graphics.
So there you have it. If Mylens AI is something that sounds interesting to you, then you can head over to Mylens.ai and you can download the Chrome extension. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.